Zamling khangsa shupe pyoki keyik luksol la tonanangken sangma la dorjiling ki jamyang pyoki rikyun chezin khangne ngatu tile shugi ye tene ta di chung di khazingma gotsu bayin ta yina yang thari nga di khazinganza lo tsaba di cholo gyab ma go be thokne Cholok gyab magobe tokne without having to spell them. Cholok gyab magobe tone naloginda. Sapuk ka changda. Ngon lobtok takar ni lobchong la changchun tenne miche kenshik re. Gündu gigengi lobti chekap tigi lobtokla kecha shepam kurechekyur kawatang zinda trölche pame nangne ngulkerte longyen tawam yangna thomla kyamba sok khayang miging chigi yore gigengi dakarla lobti yakpo nyen gobe lapcha yangyang nangwar ma se lobchen tikap dakar la tiwa yangyang nangiye en kyang dakar gi len dep thuki me ta te partung jo konda di partung jo chasunga lobchen tikap dakar la tiwa yangyang nangi ye enjang dakar gi len dep tu gi me di bar zo khazing zo cha song ta dinne ngan zo di tiktu khashi chik lobchong nang ya inda tha dingbo the nga sa theng kao chaki ku chi ka chi hao zaki ku ji na jin garata da ha ki ku yi de jinde chanaru cho ga sa cho kao da shapchu du a ki ku yi di thanaru to ga tok dawo ga dingbo ge ra ka ta ga na gen ga ya ta ga ki ku gi sa gi salata da dawo kara karla rang nyakiku nida ni kayata kyakiku ki sakata kayata kyanaro kyo na kyon cha yanaro yo pao sarata sanga sang bayata chatingbo che da che dawo ganaro go sa go pa akiku ipe balata langa lang bayata cha bawata naroto na ten Tengchik zinde chokdu tok gigengi dagarla rangi gi kyoncha yosang che gobe langja tön tengchik once zinde chokdu tok in the class meeting in the meeting of the class. Once at the meeting in the class, ek palta, ek choti, ek khep, class ko sabha meeting, sabha ko sabha ma guru le Gayata Gyakiku Gisaki Guru Le by the teacher. Whenever you see Gayata Gyakiku Gis followed by Sa, and then you must know the noun in front of it is the subject of the sentence. Guru Le Dakar Lai Apno Kyoncha Kami Yosangche Sudarnu Porne ki langja tön ki apnonu porne त्यो चाहिँ देखाउनु भयो. Once in the class meeting, the teacher to Dagar, he showed him what he has to rectify regarding his negative points, drawbacks. Langchatun. Langchatun yakiku yina yang, but in spoken we shorten it to saying yinayang, but tara dagar salatata daokara kar gayata yakiku gisa gi ranga ranga kikugi bayat sabata bayata changa sa chang ao barata trasa de Shana Shenpana Rupo Yanaro Yoda Yopate Dao Gatengugi Rakataga Nagen Gayataga Yakikugi Sagi Salatala Lanarulo Balop Karatata Takikuti Dati Lokti Bayatacha Chatingboche Dache Satatata Ngasa Tang Gao sa la selpanarupo ma bayata chasepchichunga chung wara war nganarungo sangu awazakikuzina zin bayata chatingbo che da che pa la sa le yin na yang dakar gi rang gi chang de shenbo ye pa the gigen gi Lopti Chetang Selpo Machungwar Mujin Chepa Le. But Dagar is the subject. Whenever you see Gayata Kekugisa Gi, then the noun in front of it is the subject. By Dagar Rangi Changde Shenpo Yopa Te. The bad inferior result of his studying in the school Dagarle apno paraiko parinam naramro bhayeko त्यो gegen girlopti chetang the way teacher teaches the way teacher teaches Selpo Machungwar, it was not clear. The way teacher teaches was not clear. Mujinche. He recognized it as he recognized that the lesson was not clear because the way teacher teaches is not clear. He recognized that it was not clear the way the teacher teaches means he thinks the teacher was not explaining it clearly. Guru le पाठ पढाउने तरिका स्पष्ट नभएको चाहिँ गुरुको पढाइले गर्दाखेरि स्पष्ट नभएको उसले मानिलिन्थ्यो. He recognized it as Chepale other than rather than दागरले आफ्नो पढाइको परिणाम चाहिँ नराम्रो भएको थियो. गुरुले पाठ पढाउने तरिका स्पष्ट नभएर नभएकोमा उसले मानि लिनु भन्दा लासाले भन्दा राङा राङा nganarongosa ngu nasa ne sabata payata cha ngasa chang bau rachata cha chanarocho nachun ma bayata cha sa che para par nganarongosa ngu latingbo len na len bayata cha chatingbo che da che kayata kya kyakikuki makikumi ao dasha chudu ga duk. Rather than recognizing it as he's not being diligent in learning from his side, आफ्नो तर्फदेखि मेहनत नगरेकोमा मानिलिने गर्दैन थियो. राङ्गु ने छाङचुन माछे पार मोलेन छिकी मिन्दुक तनारो दोना जुन दशचुदु तादिङबो दे आओ दरता डा रादिङबो रे दा रे दामा दम सदिङबो शे ना रततचा वा नासा ने मा रादिङबो रे दा रे. Dondu, in fact, in reality, in fact, Tendra Redam, after da madam is a question mark. Is that so? Is that so? Sena. If is that so? If someone asks if that was so, sawane mare. It was not at all. It was not at all. It was not at all that he it's not at all that the way teacher teaches was wrong. It's not like that. वास्तवमा थेन्ड्रा रेदम यस्तो हो कि दाको पछाडि दामादम क्वेसन मार्क यस्तो हो कि भन्ने हो भने पटक्कै होइन. चवाने पटक्कै होइन. दाउ गाडङबोगे राकतका नागेन गयता ग्याकीको गिसागी सलतला लनारुलो बालो खरता ठठकीको ठिदाठी खा गाओ साला सेल गाओ नाङा नाङ गाकीको गि यानारो योदा यो पा danga dang. Every time you see sa following gayata kyaki ki sa gi, the noun, the proper noun, the common noun is the subject here by the teacher. Lopti khasel nangi ye. The teacher teaches clearly. Gao la sel. Guru le parai iswasta sita parai garthio paraunthio. The teacher was teaching his lesson clearly. La talaka lak para parta setudu sabata bayata changa sa changa o barata dasa de shana shen pa kikui pe salatala narulo ba lop how a parata tata setutu ga tu la tadingbote wasa we ranaro gasa rok ramaram kawana nganang kakikugi how da setudu ga duk. Hakpardu, in particularly, Changde Shenpa, those whose results are poor, Loptukla, to those students whose performance in that exam or test was not so good, Teve Rokram Nangi Duk. Teve. Then the Tyo Banda more than Teve, technically than it. So the teacher in particular helps even more to the students whose results were poor. विशेष गरी पढाइको परिणाम अलिकति कमजोर भएको स्टुडेन्ट तिनीहरूलाई झन बेसी अझै बेसी मद्दत गर्ने गर्थ्यो न्याकी कुन्ये नाइन गाउँछकी कुचिका चिक एक दिन निमाचिक one day nga chanaru cho salatala lanaru lo balo karata da akiku ite lobde phaeta cha chakiku chiranaru rola rolta shatutu chirultu chilogla outside of school outside of the school phaeta chakiku chinasa ne after having gone outside the school chinne Gaba Kapratingbo Resare, Ashatu Uraur, Ratingbo Resare, Ratata Tingboche. We played Kabre Ure, hide and seek, Luki Chupi. Hide and seek. We played hide and seek after going outside of the school. Thus, to do sadu when we played hide and seek outside our school. Luki chupi kelda khiri salatada daukaraka sa phasatu phuga phukha paita changa chang latatata sakikushi kasik kakikuki nanga nang tasatutu gaba kap nasa ne dasatutu sa du chanaru choda chu rakiku ringa ring panaro pora por Ranyata nyating bunyeta nye ma bayata chasap chuchunga chung. Dagger hid himself in a cave facing north. For a long time, we didn't find Dakar for a long time. Dakar, after having hidden himself in a cave facing north, we didn't find him for a long time. Lukichapi kheldakheri Dakar एउटा गुफा उत्तरमा फर्किएको एउटाको भित्र लुकेर चाहिँ लामो समयसम्म उसलाई पाइएन Tadinangla Tungi Ningdun, the moral of the story. Tandacharya Mata, we haven't finished yet. That Ningdun Kare Sungyur, the moral of the story is Ningdun Kare Sungyur Sana Zindala Yongba Zamgi Tigi Mare Tonang Chegore, Tonang Machebeina Subsub Chene Nyangore, Tonang Chene Nyangore. Soso rangi mune tes shu gyagore kale gyagore lobjong chegore tindes machena chindrala yongba chamgi phento khayang meba de thungdi ningdön de thamda charyo mare ani the remaining sakma de chela shuchogwa chik ta de la lobju nge 진원라 타게 센시 나게 카시니 대송 이게 자원에 막힌게 되게 양요래 야 벽에 장내 로가 죽침바 롭죽 양요래 디네 타 지게 와요래 샤바타 망요모 타 미릭타 민타 요래 제장다 nye cholo gyabayina kaka kanga ne change chola tes pen thogurba tine ta nye gyobolo bekabla khoran chola tes kale khapo yongri ina yang tila kale da kumshi sogurba kanzo tengtik sik ani sik sabe chala kanzo chale nangi di video di tang shabaina ani salata la narulo ba lo di teng mambo go baina salata la narulo ba lo sen lamsang sung tu gire tindas cheche da tinda de chamshagi ani kena cho de la so ke dang to nang yigela to nang ba la ning ta bane tu chi shugi ye ani chela yang ger chelyam